front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section on the left at the top. When you're ready to create a new one, hit this plus at the bottom of Alarms. Then set up an hour and tap on Repeat. Over here, select days of the week that you wish to set up and save them by hitting OK. Now tap on Sound section, hit Allow in the pop-up, and tap on Music on device to pick any song from your tablet and set it up as incoming alarm one. Then go back. You can also just click on one of those classic ringtones instead. Finally, hit Label. Label your alarm however you want to. And select OK. Then you can adjust those two options, like ring duration, by selecting the best option from the list of available ones, and snooze duration to set up how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're done, hit OK, and to save your alarm, hit this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. In order to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. To make some changes, tap on your alarm, change whatever you wish to, and tap on the check mark again. If you want to get rid of it, click on it again, but this time tap on Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!